DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Volvo V40. It's the R-Design D2 diesel with a full service history. It's one previous owner, but it's really one owner because it was registered to a dealer for about 7 days and then to the customer, and it really is in fine condition. The wheels absolutely unmarked. Bodywork wise is lovely. It has been someone's pride and joy, this car. It's got a lot of extras as well. Got the winter pack, got the park distance control, twin exhausts, satellite navigation. Yeah, it is in stunning condition. See, the boot area is lovely. Rear parcel shelf. It's got the half leather Alcantara trim, the R-Design trim with the white stitch piping. Electric windows, electric mirrors. No wear on the bolster there at all. It's only done 867 miles. Like I said, got a full service history. We're just going to put a 12-month MOT on it. It's got cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, automatic headlights, heated seats, winter pack, 6-speed gearbox. It's got an AUX there. Satellite navigation. Yeah, satellite navigation there. Park distance control. DAB radio. Bluetooth connectivity. Really is lovely. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.